guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a fall inspired look for you guys using my KKW Classic 2 palette. The first time I used this, I used the cooler neutral side, so I wanted to go in with the warmer side and create another look for you guys inspired by the colors of fall. Yeah, we're almost into October. Tomorrow is October. I don't even know where the time is going. So anyways, I got my Kim Ye t-shirt on, repping Kim and Kanye. And yeah, if you would like to see this fall inspired look, I've tried to use techniques that are better for deep set eyes, but I'm sure this will work for many of you, if not all, shaped eyes. So if you would like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to start off with this coppery brown color with a little bit of shimmer in it, and I'm just going to take my angled brush and just start working on the upper part of my crease. So not in my crease, just above it. And I'm just going to start with the darker color so that I can blend it through with the lighter colors, the lighter colors. I'm just going to put this down as like the base, and then I can blend it through. And because it's not too shimmery, like it's not like a glitter color, it's not really enhancing my brow bone or like highlighting it. Now I'm just going to blend it through a little bit with a fluffy brush, and when I do that, I can pull it down into the crease a little bit because it won't cause any harsh lines, but it'll just look like a better blend when I put other colors below it. Next, I'm going to go in with this matte coppery color, and I've been using this lately. I do prefer cooler tones, but there's something about this color that I just really love. It's not too, it's coppery, but I don't know, I guess maybe because it's matte, I love the way it looks. So I'm just going to blend that right on top of the brown, sticking more towards the corner of my eye. And just kind of drag it out a little bit. And hockey's done now on TV. Tampa Bay won the Stanley Cup. Now I'm like, I feel like there's nothing to watch. Even if I wasn't watching the game intently, I just liked having it on. It was just, I don't know, the ambiance of it. Especially now that it's fall. And I'm not really into football. My dad was. He was a huge Packers fan. He was a professor at the University of Wisconsin when he was younger and lived there, and just like loved the Packers. So growing up, we always had football on in our house, but I've just taken to hockey more. He loved hockey and baseball. And baseball's on right now, so maybe once they get to the like World Series playoffs, I'll watch that. That's a little bit more exciting. But now I'll just have to wait for the regular season to start again. And yeah, find something on Netflix to watch. I think we're gonna watch, once my oldest catches up to us on the Lucifer series, I think we'll start season 5. Now I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and this lighter shade right here. This is got more warmth to it than the other side and is a little bit darker. This is got a little bit more peachiness to it. So I'm just going to go right across the lid with this shade. And just blend it through just a little bit. The lighter shades I will take in the crease just to blend with the darker color. We had such nice weather last week. Oh my gosh, it was beyond seasonal for this time of year in our area, and I was in a tank top, and now it's gone back to rainy cold. So I'm one of those people that weather, it doesn't necessarily affect my mood. I'm not like grumpy or like in a bad mood. I don't have energy. I don't have energy when it's gloomy and rainy out. I just want to sit on the couch, watch TV, play on my phone, drink a coffee, and I just have no motivation when it's really gloomy out. Next, I'm going to go in with this gold foiled like shade and a dome brush, and I'm just going to put that on the corner, the outside corner. I put it across my lid yesterday and I liked it, but I feel like I like the way my eyes look when there's brightness here. This was just a little too dark for the middle section, let's say, if that makes any sense. Like when I put some dark on the inner corner, like when I did I think it's a halo effect, I didn't mind it because this was bright. But having like dark on the corner and then this as my lightest color, I just didn't love it. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and go in with this light shade. This is so pigmented for a light matte. I was worried when I first got it that it wouldn't give me much depth or brightness, not depth. Darkness is what you get depth from. But it's so pigmented. So I'm just going to put that just like on the section of my eye that you see when my eyes open, not necessarily going up any higher, just more along the lash line. I'm going to go in with the copper color again, and just this small little brush that I've had forever that's come apart, so I've used duct tape to put it back together. And I'm just going to lightly drag it under my eye, near my lash line. I'm not going to go all the way, I'm just going to go half. And then I'm going to pull it back a little bit. And kind of get into this corner right here that dips in. Now I'm going to use the same brush and just go into the gold color and finish off near the other half of my eye. I'm not going to go into the tear duct area, I'm just going to stay along the lower lash line. So I put a little bit of eyeliner on and mascara, and I just kind of want to show you guys by using that lighter gold color instead of going in with a really dark color at the corner, using that and then just taking this coppery color up at the end just gave the illusion that my eye comes a little bit longer. So it's nice to kind of keep it brighter on the lid sometimes and work with your darker shades up here, and it just, for deep set eyes, it just gives the illusion of them not being so deep set. Like that's what it looks like to me. This part of my eye is coming more forward because I've used a brighter color, and yeah, just putting something that's lighter on this corner instead of going in with something so dark just gives the illusion that my eye is bigger, and also going up with the copper color gives you kind of a guide if you want to do a winged eyeliner. So this is the final fall look using the other side of the KKW Beauty Classic 2 palette. It's back in stock. Hopefully by the time this video is up, it'll still be in stock. Such a great palette. I use it all the time. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.